More? It's easier to walk with your hands behind you, isn't it?
You're aerodynamic.
She's trying to fly.
That walker's good for something, isn't it? Okay, there you go. There you go.
Olivia, do you want more grapes? More? More, please. More? What do you want? Please? Good job.
Oh, she said, please, good.
Please? Here you go.
Yeah, put them in there. Good girl.
Ouch.
That's Mimi's chair in there. Run into Daddy. Boom. Show Daddy your grapes. See?
Mm.
See?
Wow, that's great.
Do you have purple ones? Olivia, do you have purple ones? Oh, it's more fun to put them on the shelf while Mommy packs. Watch her turn that thing around. Look. Are you getting it work just right? Gonna put the grapes on the shelf? How many can you carry? Well, you got a lot. She said, forget that. It's easier just to move the whole chair.
I think she realized she couldn't carry them all.
Bye-bye.